we have here multiple posts and we want to translate all of them. For this, we can use Gato Multilingual to translate them all in bulk. We want to translate the content of the post, the title, of course, but also the categories, the tags, and also the feature image. So let's do that. First, we translate the tags. So here we have all of the tags for all of the different posts. So we select them and we do bulk action, Gato Translate. And when we click apply, it will send one request to the API that we have selected and send all of the strings to translate and translate all of them together. So we can see that it has created the relationships for all of the languages, in this case Spanish and French, and assign them in Polylang. Next, let's do the same for the categories. So here we have multiple categories, also with hierarchy, and we're going to translate all of them. So we select them and we do Gato Translate. Now this is going to send all of the strings to translate all of them together and create them with the same hierarchy as in the original. So in this case, for instance, sports have been translated as deportes, as we can see here, and it has the child called baloncesto, which stands for basketball. So the relationships across categories are respected, and all of the categories have been translated to Spanish and French, all at one go. Next, let's do the same with the media. So we want to translate all of the different media items. So we select all of them, bulk actions, Gato Translate, and we click on apply. And this is going to send all of the strings to the API that we have selected. And as we can see, it has been translated to French and Spanish for each one of them. Alright, so final step is to translate the post. So now we go to the post. We know that we have the categories translated, the tags translated, and the media have been translated. So we select all of them, we do bulk action Gato Translate, and we click on apply. And now this is going to call the API, maximizing the number of strings that it can send in one single request. Now it has translated all of the different posts, as we can see. And it has assigned the categories. As we can see, this one is in Spanish, and the tags have also been translated and assigned to the corresponding language. So let's see a translation of one of these posts. So this is the translation in Spanish. Let's see the original one in English. We can come here. So this is the one that was the original one in English. And we can also see how it has been translated to French. There we go. So here's the translation to French. So all of the posts have been translated in bulk.